We are about to start your exercise program. If at any time you become too short of breath to continue, you have chest pain, or if you have any other signs that you cannot continue the exercise program, please stop and consult with your physical therapist. Next, we're going to do cervical retractions in the sitting position. Make sure you start with good posture, sitting in your chair. You're going to move your head straight back, as if your chin was on a line. Go back slowly, and then return back slowly. You should feel a small stretching sensation in the back of your head. Go back as far as you can, and relax. Next exercise is a hamstring stretch in sitting position. Make sure you hold each stretch for 10 seconds, and it should be a light stretch. Now bend down. Make sure you keep your back straight. Go to a comfortable position of a light stretch, and then come back up. Do another repetition. Hold for 10 seconds for a light stretch. And then come back up. Now we're going to switch legs. Reach down. Make sure you keep your back straight. And come back up. You should feel a light stretch in your hamstring. Next, we're going to do a crossbody stretch in standing. Make sure you're in the standing position for this exercise. What you're going to do is with one arm, reach across your body and use the other arm to give yourself a light, gentle stretch. You're going to hold that for 10 seconds, then relax, and then switch arms. Make sure you continue to breathe through this exercise. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Keep your stretch gentle. And relax. Next is marching with the band and sitting. Wrap the band around your legs. Raise one leg, come down, and then raise the other. Make sure you perform each repetition slowly. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Try to make sure your leg comes straight up and straight down. Try to sit up in the chair throughout the exercise. Try not to slouch. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Next exercise is hip abduction in sitting with the band. Sitting up straight, take your leg out to the side and then switch legs. Make sure you keep your leg as straight as possible. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Make sure each repetition is slow and steady. Next, we're going to do some knee extension with the band around your ankles. Make sure you start in the sitting position. And kick your leg out straight and then bring it back. Make sure you sit up straight. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Perform each repetition slowly. Next, we're going to do a leg press with your band in sitting. Make sure you have your band handy. You're going to wrap the band around your foot and extend your leg. Bring it back and extend your leg. Make sure you sit up straight. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. We're going to do 10 repetitions on the left. Now we're going to switch and do 10 reps on the right. Make sure you go slowly. Make sure you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Standing hip flexion with the band. We're going to start in standing position. You can use a chair to steady yourself. The band around your knees. You bring your legs straight up and straight down. Make sure you come up slowly and down slowly. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. And make sure you maintain your upright posture. Hip abduction with the band in standing. We're going to start in the standing position. You can use a chair for stability. You're going to take your leg out to the side, try to keep your toes straight, using the band as resistance. We're going to do 10 on one leg. Make sure you keep your posture upright. Breathe through your nose and then out through your mouth. Switch legs. Keep your posture upright. Breathe it in through your nose and out through your mouth. Knee flexion and standing with the band. You're going to start in the standing position with your band around your ankles. You can use a chair to steady yourself. You got to bend your leg up, down at the knee. Now keep your thighs straight. Bring your lower leg to a 90-degree angle with your knee. Make sure you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Rest at this time and check your blood pressure and pulse to make sure that it's in a safe level to continue exercising. Next, we're going to do some heel raises, both legs at the same time. We're going to start in the standing position, using a chair or a counter to balance yourself. You're going to come up on your toes and then down on your heels. Come up slow and then return. Make sure you maintain your upright posture. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Next, we're going to do shoulder abduction with weight and standing. You're going to start in the standing position with your weights in your hands. You're going to bring your arms up 90 degrees, then back down. Slowly come up and slowly come down. Maintain your upright posture. Make sure you're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth while you're slowly raising and lowering your arms. Standing curls with weight. We're going to start in the standing position with the weights in your both hands. Both at the same time, you're going to curl them up and down. Coming up slow and down slow. Maintain your upright posture. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Shoulder shrugs and standing with weight. You're going to start in the standing position with the weights in both of your hands. You're going to elevate your shoulders and then down. You're going to come straight up and straight down. Make sure you go slow up and slow down. Maintaining your upright posture. Make sure you're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, and don't hold your breath. We're going to do some curls and standing with the band using both arms. Going to start in the standing position. Slowly bend the band up and then relax. Go up slow, down slow. Make sure to maintain your upright posture, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Horizontal abduction with the band and sitting. Going to grasp the band in both hands. Pull it straight out to the side. Keep your shoulders down And squeeze your shoulder blades together. Make sure you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Out slowly and come in slowly. Seated chest press, one arm at a time. We're going to start in the seated position. Extend away our left arm and then your right arm. Switching arms after each one. Extend out and then back. Slowly. Make sure you're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Our next exercise is sitting scaption with weights. You're going to start in the sitting position with the weight in your hand. You're going to come up to 90 degrees at a 45-degree angle. Both hands at a time. Make sure you're sitting up straight. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. We're going to do sit to stand with your arms out. Start in the sitting position in the chair where you can easily get up. Go up and down. Pushing off with your legs. Come all the way up, all the way down. Rest for 5 seconds. Back up. Breathe through your nose and out through your mouth. Our next exercise is the mini squat. So make sure you start in the standing position, perform each rep slowly, and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. You can use the chair for stability if you need to. Make sure you bend at your knees, staying above 90 degrees, with your head looking up straight. We're going to take a 5-second rest and do 5 more reps. Make sure you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth.